what's the number one thing people want to learn about that's not in real estate? How to buy investment properties, right? So maybe now you do in that beautiful office you have, Lauren, you do a how to flip real estate seminar, right? Because you know, when you see the signs on the side of the highway, I want you guys to call them. They charge people $8,000 to $20,000 to teach them how to flip real estate. And most of you guys have either know how or have flipped real estate and definitely can give your knowledge away for free. And you could pick up $8,000 to $20,000 in commissions, right? So anything else, any other ideas that anybody can share of income producing activities? Because some people here, they need some help, guys. They need your help. They need some ideas.
Networking, going out and networking, talking to other fellow agents or just other people in our industry. That's a very good way to get leads.
Okay. How can they find out where to network?
On Connect,
Simply Connect?
Yeah, well, Simply Connect, but not only that, there's the, oh God, you guys know it.
Eventbrite.
Eventbrite, yeah.
And Meetup is another one.
Okay, Meetup, Eventbrite. You guys need to get out there and socialize. One big goal of mine is I'm always working, and I haven't been out in Atlanta really networking in about 3 or 4 years. But this year I said I'm going to get out more, right? So you got to be intentional about doing it. Why am I doing it? Multiple reasons. Number one, I know I have information to help other people. Number two, I'm launching my speaking business is growing, and I'm finding other contacts as well. So first thing is, what can I offer them? Second thing is, could we maybe do business together on the speaking tip, the mortgage tip, or the real estate tip? When I go out and network personally for myself, I don't market myself as a realtor at all. I market myself as a mortgage CEO and a speaker, because there's a lot of realtors out here. And so if you are a realtor, then you need to, when people say, what do you do? You should not be saying, I help people buy and sell homes, right? I can give you a word track. Remember, I shared something with you. I help people build wealth through real estate. Then that leads to the next question. Well, how do you do it? Oh, I partner with mortgage companies who have loan programs that people can buy 20 investment properties at one time with no job and no income, as long as they have 20% down. What? That's different than saying, I'm a realtor and I help people buy and sell homes. Right? Just giving you guys word track. My sister went to network in Michigan, and she doesn't need any help from me on telling people who she is. But I gave her some word tracks about that, and she used it up in Michigan, and she was at a high level networking event. It wasn't about real estate, and she picked up 4 clients last week. And in the areas, what's called West Bloomfield in Michigan, there's nothing but $1 million homes, right? So if you have to define the business that you're in, and if you can't think about that, think about the business that you want to be in, and then think about the business you should be in. Because none of us here are realtors. Number one, we're marketers. That's the first thing we are, right? The second thing is we help people build wealth through real estate. Even if somebody buys